Hi everyone, welcome to Jan's page. Hope you all are doing good. Today we're going to see stuffed peppers. It is a very quick and easy recipe. Now we just need 2 peppers, any colors. I have taken a red and a green one. Let's keep this aside and see what are the other ingredients we need. 1 boiled potato which I have grated. I will be using this for the stuffing and also some mixed vegetables. 2 cheddar cheese slices cut into straight pieces, and then I'm going to add the seasoning, salt and some pepper for the boiled potatoes which I have grated. After this we will be putting the peppers in the microwave and then in the grill, which I'll show you now. We are going to cut the pepper now. I'm going to cut the top bit and then take out the seeds. We don't need the seeds. We are going to put the stuffing inside this. So I'm just going to take out the seeds and see how it looks. It will nicely take all the stuffing inside. Let's take a microwave container and put the peppers inside, and we will cover it with cling film. This will need to go in the microwave for 5 minutes on full power. After that we will take it out and put the stuffing inside this and put it in the grill. Make sure it's nicely covered tightly on all the sides, and now I will take a knife and just prick in the center and the sides. If you like to see more videos like this on cooking and baking, please comment. Now it is ready to go inside the microwave for 5 minutes on full power. I make this recipe at least once a week. 5 minutes is done, and after that I have taken it out and let it cool down a bit, couple of minutes, and then we will tear it and open the cling film. Take the baking tray. We're going to place the peppers and add the stuffing, the potato stuffing which we've already made, and it is ready. If you have leftover bhaji in your fridge, you can use that as well as a stuffing. Goes the potato. Fill it in both the peppers. Some people call peppers as capsicum as well. And next I will add the mixed vegetables, some carrot, some peas, some baby corn. In goes. Again I'll add some potato on the top, and then this is ready to go inside the grill for 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, stuffing is done, and we'll put it in the grill. I've taken it out now. The pepper looks nice and smoky. The potatoes and everything is cooked. Let's add the cheese on top and put it in the grill for another couple of minutes, maximum 3 to 4 minutes, so that the cheese is melted nicely and it is ready to be served. In it goes again. Yeah, we can see the cheese melting. So as soon as it's done, take it out. Let it cool down for a couple of minutes and it is ready to be served. If you like our video, please share and subscribe to our channel. See you again soon from Jan's page.